Okay, the box of Joes. Let's see. I'm going to try to fix one of these. And I got this website. Shout out to Ronnie's Games. Called the toycollectorsguide.com. So looks like I found all the parts for Gung-Ho Marine. And this was from the second year, 1983. Looks like I didn't have any from 82. And then if I can get him back together, I'll see if I can find any of his accessories in that box of parts and stuff. Hopefully. That'd be cool. I'm going to clean him up a little bit. Unfortunately, you know, he's got some corrosion in there, and he's pretty well worn, but might be worth the effort for funsies. Let's see what we can do. Got the side angle going on here. I just got some dish soap, some Dawn, and some warm water here. Mainly just going to try to clean him up. And before I put him back together. Whew. Alright, I did get one of these cheapo kits from Amazon. I don't know how well it'll hold up, how well these O-rings will hold up, but I thought I'd give it a try. It did come with one base. There's like, I did come with some of these T-bars in case I need to replace some of those. So, but this one is intact, so I'm going to reuse that. It did come with some screws, and I think from what I was reading, the ones that come out of here have a pointed end, and these do not. But here's the O-rings, and I've read some people have good luck with these, some people don't. So I'm gonna give it a try. And my alternate, if it doesn't hold up, is some stuff from Harbor Freight, or maybe go to Lowe's or something. But it also came with a little screwdriver thingy. We'll see if this thing even works. I wonder what this part is for. I'm gonna get a better screwdriver. Alright, these little screwdrivers, not that little kit, are not really good. I'm going to try using something more substantial, and this thing is pretty rusted out, pretty corroded down in there. So I don't know if I can get a good bite on it. Hope I can, without breaking him. It's just like spinning. Let me try a bigger head. This will fit in there. Ooh, that might be the ticket. PH1. Dang. Actually get it. It was starting to come out. Got it. Man, that thing is gnarly. I can't see the viewfinder on the camera, but those are pointed. That is a gnarly screw. I can clean that corrosion out of that hole a lot better. See if we can't separate his torso. go. That's what the head looks like on the second year run. I think they changed these up to a round ball or something where they had more articulation later. So he's like hard as a rock. Hard and brittle. Actually, it's not hard as a rock, it's just hard and brittle. Clean this corrosion out of here. And look at that. That's out of the leg. Alright, I got him cleaned up as best I can with the soap and water technique and the Q-tips. Couldn't get every bit of staining out of there. Maybe if I worked at it for a few more days. I don't have that type of patience, but I don't know if that's stained in there forever, if any more would come out, but regardless, we're moving on. I didn't take the legs completely apart because this T-bar was good. It's not broken. However, I did go ahead and take these rusted screws out and replaced them with the screws that came with this little eBay kit. Even though they're slightly different screws, I was concerned with leaving that corroded screw in there, so I was also concerned and was kind of careful because it's hard to tell if I'm over tightening these screws in there or not. It looks like I got them tight enough and they're seated about how they were before, so I'm sticking with that. We'll try these O-rings out. I should be dipping it, placing it on the T-bar hook first, and then up through the little torso notch, the crotch notch actually, crotch notch. And let's see if I can get the T-bar past the crotch notch. There we go. Let me get the O-ring fed up through there. There we go. And luckily this area here is all intact, so you should just have that one notch there so you can feed everything through. So that's ready there. Let me set his arms back in place and his head. Now, let's see if I can do this. Get his torso kind of staged up in there. I'm going to use my tweezers so I can keep this in camera view. Use my tweezers to feed this. I guess I can set the arms back in after. I don't know why I'm worried about holding them in now. Okay, there we go. There we go. So that's in, up and over. Now we can set the arms back in place and your head if you need to. Get the top part of the chest plate, or chest part of the torso. I'm kind of losing my voice. Get it in place. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, I got his head spun too much. Because his head don't swivel all the way. There we go. Make sure that tab on that head is correctly oriented so he can look forward. Because he does have a stop on him. Look at that. Alright, he's together. Now I just need to put a screw in the back. I'm going to try one of these new screws again. See if it works out. Snugged. There we go. Did I do it? Do I have a Joe? I do have a new Joe. Or I put together Joe. Haha. Let's see if we can find his accessories. Alright, there's all the parts and stuff, accessories dumped out. He's gonna have a jungle pack and a grenade launcher. Speaking of grenade launchers, go check out the eBomi channel. He just put one up. Apparently pretty much 50 state legal. I think it smokes or shoots smokes and I don't know what else, but go check that link out. Oh boy. That'd be cool if I can find it. Alright. Do have a lot of backpacks and stuff. A few helmets. Nothing really fit the bill here. Nothing matched up with Gung-Ho. There's the weapons I got. A couple more torsos there, but nothing exactly matched up with that. Because that coloring on his backpack matches his vest. And then his grenade launcher. Nothing really was identical to that. But we do have a figure that is all in one piece now. Gung-Ho. One down. The rest to go. Boom.